Meaning of gunnysack.
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 Gunnysack. The term gunnysack refers to a sack made from coarse material, typically jute or burlap. These sacks were commonly used for transporting and storing goods such as grains, potatoes, and coffee beans. Gunny sacks became widely used in the 19th and early 20th centuries due to their durability and affordability. The sacks were also utilized in various activities such as sack races and hopscotch. Today, gunny sacks have become less popular due to the prevalence of plastic packaging materials, but they still hold cultural significance as a symbol of the bygone era of agriculture and manual labor.